The competency in this lesson is convert between metric and English units of length. These are the conversion ratios that we are going to use in converting between English and metric units of length. On the first column we have the English units, and on the second column we have the metric units. 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeter, 1 foot equals 0.30 meter, 1 yard equals 0.91 meter, 1 mile equals 1.61 kilometer, 3.28 feet equals 1 meter, and 0.62 mile equals 1 kilometer. How do we use these conversion ratios in converting between English and metric units? Example number 1. 27 feet equals how many meters? First, we are going to copy down the measurement that we are going to convert, 27 feet. Then we are going to multiply it by a conversion ratio. From our table, 1 foot equals 0.30 meter, so we are going to make a fraction showing foot on the denominator in order for us to cancel out feet. So that's 0.30 m over 1 foot. So foot cancels out, so that means 27 times 0.30 m over 1 is 8.1 meters. Example number 2. 8 miles equals how many kilometers? First, we are going to copy down the measurement that we are going to convert. That's 8 miles. Then we multiply it by a conversion ratio. From our table, 1 mile equals 1.61 kilometer. So we are going to make a fraction that shows mile on the denominator in order for us to cancel out mile. And that's 1.61 kilometer over 1 mile. So mile cancels out, so that means 8 times 1.61 over 1, and that's 12.88. Example number 3. 4 feet equals how many centimeters? First, we are going to copy down the measurement that we are going to convert, so that's 4 feet. Then multiply it by a conversion ratio. From our table, we don't have a conversion that relates foot to centimeters. So first we are going to convert 4 feet to inch, and from inch to centimeter. So we know that 1 foot equals 12 inches. So to cancel out foot, we are going to have a fraction that shows foot on the denominator. So that's 12 inch over 1 foot. So this foot cancels out. So that means 4 times 12 inch equals 48 inch. Now because it's already inch, so we have here the conversion ratio. 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. So we will copy down 48 inches. Then multiply it by a conversion ratio. So we need a fraction that shows inch on the denominator. So that's 2.54 cm over 1 inch. So inch cancels out. So that means 48 times 2.54 cm over 1. And that's 121.92. Example number 4. 0.4 kilometer equals how many yards? Again, we are going to copy down the measurement that we are going to convert. So that's 0.4 kilometer. So times a conversion ratio. From our table, we don't have a conversion that relates kilometer to yard. So first, we are going to change kilometer to meter, then from meter to yard. So we know that 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. So we are going to make a fraction showing kilometer on the denominator, and that's 1000 m over 1 km. So we cancel out the km, and then 0.4 times 1000 m equals 400 m. Now we are on meter, so from meter to yard, we will copy down 400 meters, then multiply it again by a conversion ratio. So 0.91 meter equals 1 yard. So we need a fraction that shows meter on the denominator, so we can cancel out the meter. And that's 1 yard over 0.91 m. This m cancels out, so this means 400 times 1 divided by 0.91, and that's 439.6. Now your turn. Convert the following to the indicated unit. You can pause the video and work on these 5 items. Number 1, 4 miles equals how many kilometers? Number 2, 508 centimeters equals how many inches? Number 3, 0.5 yard equals how many centimeters? Then number 4, 4 kilometers equals how many miles? And number 5, 0.3 kilometer equals how many feet? Now I will show you the answer. For number 1, our answer is 6.44 kilometers. Number 2, our answer is 200 inches. Number 3, our answer is 45.7 centimeters. Number 4, our answer is 2.48 miles. And number 5, our answer is 984 feet. Did you get the 5 items right? I hope you did. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Teacher Rejil. Keep safe.